About a month ago, an Amazon driver in their commercial vehicle was driving in front of me. They made a left-hand turn and then, as I was driving past, made an illegal U-turn and slammed into my car. The cops came and the cops shrugged and said, "You did nothing wrong. I'm not writing either one of you a ticket since it's a no-fault state." I filed a claim with Amazon. They told me I'd be reimbursed for damages in a rental car. 3 weeks later, still fighting with them to move it along. Finally hear from a new adjuster, and she said that because Michigan is a no-fault state, they are denying my claim. End of conversation.
The part where the cop said, "You did nothing wrong, I'm not writing either of you a ticket since it's a no-fault state," that is just total BS. What that's saying to me is you could be a drunk driver driving on the wrong side of the street, and because it's a no-fault state, you're not getting a ticket? That's crazy. Now, this is Michigan. They may be crazy up there, but in Florida, if you're at fault, the cop's going to write you a ticket. And sometimes, even if you're at fault, the cop he might not write you the ticket because maybe you've gone to the hospital and he only heard the other driver's side of the story. But no fault generally refers to what we call PIP. Florida is a no-fault state in terms of that initial $10,000 of coverage for medical care. And the reason it's a no-fault state is years and years ago, before no fault, what would happen is you would be in an accident, you're not at fault, the other driver's insurance company doesn't pay you, they drag it out, you have no way to get medical care because you don't have medical insurance. And so you accept a low bottom offer from the other side just so you can get money to get medical care. So the legislature theoretically cured that problem by making it a no-fault state where everybody had to have $10,000 in coverage to cover their basic medical care, which is automatic after an accident. So you don't have to wait for the other side to pay you, and they can't use that as negotiating leverage.